It's still super warm right now, but it's about to get colder, so we're gonna get the chicken coop winter ready and give it a nice little ash slash coal layer for absorption. And then we're gonna put some wood chips on top of it, make it really thick and nice for the colder season. Friends are here with me. This is it for now. You know, one project at a time. We got the chicken coop ready. It can get colder now, and more chickens are to come for the colder season. Right now we have 8. We're gonna, I think, bring in another 4 or 6 tomorrow, and then we should be good for the winter.